Hey guys, so we're over in my parking lot watching the Buckeye Lake fireworks for the 4th of July. They always let fireworks in their parking lot. They do it every year. Oh crap.
Don't you dare. Get your ass down.
Right now they're doing the symbol fireworks. Woo! That was a nice one. Wait, Ryder.
Set it by his cup. Set it by his cup. Should press thank you?
I already did.
Well, that one was cool.
I think that one looks like a mushroom. That one looks like a bell or something. Woo! Oh. These are really nice. Oh, you wasn't really able to see that one. It's hard to see them because they let off some short ones. So, sorry you missed a couple. I wasn't paying attention and had the camera down.
I don't go up there with everybody else. It'd be a big old cluster up there.
Boom. Ooh, that one had a nice ending to it. Green ashes. Oh crap. Boom.
He barked. Somebody was letting him off last night, and it sounded like they were hitting like the buildings. I think it's the farmer. But every time I get him calmed down.
looked like a waterfall.
Last summer. Right outside my back window. Caught on fire last year.
These are some really nice fireworks, that's for sure.
Found out yesterday. The lady that used to live in Jay's apartment with her daughter. His daughter got a hold of me yesterday and told me that they found her mom. And I just seen her 2 weeks ago. She came into the B&B and seen me, spent half an hour at the B&B with me, going through pictures of his baseball and everything else. Because when she lived here, I had just had Ryder when she was starting to move out. I guess nobody had heard from her in a couple days, and her sister's been over a wellness check, and she's dead on her back. Well, I guess she was on the floor. I guess she was on the bathroom floor from what I understand. She got COVID months ago. Gave her COPD and emphysema. She's played it off to everybody that she wasn't as sick as what she actually was. So her daughter's waiting on the... Yeah. Yeah, her daughter's waiting on the autopsy results to find out exactly. Yeah. And she wasn't very old. She was late 40s, early 50s. She wasn't very old.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, they've been going. I'm making a YouTube video.
The mosquitoes are ridiculous. I've got 4 bites just on my arms. It's okay, Bean.
All right, I seen my one. I'm going with you.
I get bit one more time, we're going in. I got enough marks on me.
Sorry guys, I was trying to like move stuff around and like record it at the same time.
All right. No, lucky you. I gotta go back in Friday. Have a good night. All right, Landon. Come on. You have to sit.
Just sit on the porch. Mom, I'm recording this. Sorry guys. That one looked like a football. that was a nice one. Woo! Ooh, those were nice. They looked like the moon. Moon. I don't know when the finale is, guys. I think it's about like 5 minutes, maybe. I'd say 5, 8 minutes. One looks like a football right there. Woo! Ho-ho! Ooh! I think it's getting close to the finale. Woo-hoo. Oh, this is the finale, guys. Because they don't usually light that many off at the same time. So, I think they're 8. Wait, one just said 9. I think that one said 8. That one was that one was a star right there. So we were like sitting in the back of our trunk, and my mom turned the radio on while we were waiting, because we live in Buckeye Lake, and they were singing Happy Birthday to Buckeye Lake. It was super weird. I was like, what the heck? Oh, finale, guys, finale! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, guys, the finale, baby! Woo! They might be getting close to done, guys. Oh, did you see the football? That was a football right there. Oh. It looks like they're so far away from us because we're all the way at our house and they're letting them off at the lakefront. So that's why they look so far away because we're not right where they are. Whoa, excuse me, guys. Sorry. Ooh. That's the end, guys. Bye.